morning. Goeiemorgen, many. Namaste, Ham. I'm quite surprised to hello. I haven't spoken to you live, ek het nog nie in 'n tydjie met jy praat op Facebook lewendig nie, so why not early in the morning, 6:30, morning for those that are actually awake and that are going to work, those that are now getting up and getting ready to do whatever you're doing. It's a very good morning for me in Yamamia. It is one of our council meetings today, and as you know, I'm a councillor for the UIM in the city of Cape Town. And just to tell you, every day you get a lot of comments, and you get a lot of people that comment on what the person has to present, because they feel that they need to voice themselves, sometimes not in a very nice manner. But one of the questions that they ask you is, what am I doing about it? Jy weet, Neil de Beer, wat doen jy? Ek praat baie, maar wat doen jy? Well, I thought this morning, just for 10 minutes or so, let me explain what we do. So it's 6:30 in the morning. My team and myself are on our way to City Council, where today, out of many, many days, nearly every day, I will be attending as a member of the Safety and Security Portfolio Committee. En I wat nie weet nie, dit is die polisieringskomitee van die stad Kaapstad, where I am a portfolio committee member. What do we do? Well, it seems that we just talk and that we deliberate and that we just have meetings. Now, I'm not a meeting guy. I despise continual debate. I'm more of an action person. Maar ek wil dit daarom vir u verduidelik. Ek is 'n politikus. Maar ek sal nooit 'n ware politikus wees nie. Ek is 'n aktivis, besigheidsmens en iemand wat omgee oor die land se toekoms. Ek het 'n besluit geneem 4 jaar gelede, dom of nie, om besigheid te los na 22 jaar. En om te kom beklei vir 'n land wat ek gesien het, word nou gerenoveer. Jy het presies die mense wat altyd gesê het, hulle gaan dit vrymaak. Being the national leader of a political party, the UIM, a councillor, every day you find yourself in work, you find yourself on the ground, you find yourself with your community, you find yourself with people that have problems. You also, like me, get involved in law enforcement, which is my background and speciality. So this morning at 6:30 we are on our way for another 6 to 8 hour plenary session so that we can better effect law enforcement and policing in the city of Cape Town, where I am based as a councillor who was voted in by you 4 years ago to make sure that we get effective policing and that we get effective law and order. We can't do that without sitting and planning, without sitting and looking at statistics, without looking at our budgets. So when you see us in meetings, talking, it is exactly like Parliament, where the legislature needs to make the law, the guidelines and the bylaws. So elke keer as jy vir my vra, maar wat doen ek? Nou doen ons. En ons doen dit al vir 4 jaar om die UIM-system van wet, regverdigheid en demokrasie voor te beklei. As a small party that is still growing, we need to always raise our voice, and I am a voice within the structure to put through the UIM frameworks of our constitution, and most importantly, those 2 words, jobs and justice. And that's where we focus. So I thought I'll pop in and tell you that it's not every day that you can sleep late and just do nothing. I don't understand the concept of getting up any time after 6 o'clock, because we've got the people that need to get service. So today when we deliberate safety and security, tomorrow when we attend community discussions, on Friday when we intervene into matters of community safety on ground levels, every time that you ask, but what are we doing? This is what we are doing. But my question isn't what we're doing, because you can just go Google wherever we are. The question is, what are you doing? Wat doen jy? Because to sit on Facebook and to deliberate, and at times the most vulgar and vile swearing at us, at our families, and at our person, is truly sad. Die gevloek, die verskriklike geiltaal, wat partymal op ons gegooi word, onder die broek en onder die tafel, is eintlik 'n verskrikking. Maar ons gaan nog steeds aan. Ons beklei voort. Neil de Beer en die UIM stem word nie verdoop. Inteendeel, dit raak sterker. Ons gaan nie luister na ander mense se negativiteit nie. Ons stel nie belang nie, want daai negativiteit sal ons absoluut verdruk. Can you imagine waking up every day and being told that we cannot, that we are nothing, that we haven't achieved X, Y, and Z? The only reason we're not achieving X, Y, and Z is because people are not getting up and supporting X, Y, and Z. We've been walking a long road. The UIM has never changed our stance of our factual constitution, fighting for the justice and rights of the normal citizen, fighting extremism on the left and the right, putting down racism viciously as a part of the dark side of this country, trying to find a way to add value at the levels where we are punching above our weight. Yes, the people will say the UIM is small and absolutely insignificant. You are wrong. I started this party from absolutely nothing. We funded it. We've run it. We've been through 2 elections. And in most of the time, we did achieve. We can't do this alone. South Africa, this country, is in a very, very tense and dark era in politics. If you don't understand politics, like I do very much, then it is clear that the people of this country are naive in what is happening on the level of where this country is being steered to. That is our fight. Our fight is to support the moderate middle and to ensure that we do not get involved in the radical side of the left politics and the right politics. When we talk about left and right, we are talking extremism. I will say it again, like I have said many times. Racism on any level is unacceptable. We come from a past where we were segregated. We cannot go back to a future where we are again separate. Politicians that play the role to separate us on a racial or religious basis are the only ones that currently sit and have the nuance to divide us. People like the EFF, MK, and the RET parties in this country are not good for this country. I made a long speech the other day, not about politics or race. For example, on the singing of the song, Kill the Boer, Kill the Farmer. The courts of justice are saying that this is not a song that incites violence, but the UIM fundamentally disagrees. It is not about the fact that something is legal. It is the fact that something is socially unacceptable. You cannot debate with an unreasonable person. Te sit en debatteer met 'n persoon wat onredelik is en jy wil 'n redelike debat voer, is nie moontlik. Racism in this country is used when a debate is being won by one side and the other side runs out of IQ, runs out of EQ, runs out of words to make sure they speak the truth. We are tired of people. Yes, we are tired. I might even use the word, if you allow me, hurtful, of the continual race debate, the continual race baiting, and people that want to destroy the normal citizens' right to freedom. Any law in this country that takes advantage to suppress the minority so that the majority can gain power is vehemently rejected by the United Independent Movement. The reason why is simple. According to the Constitution of this country, we are all equal in the law. No one under or above the law is allowed according to our Constitution. South Africa, in conclusion, we are working. Yes, we look tired because every day, Monday to Sunday, there is something where we as councillors, where we as people in politics have to go fight. I think in the past months you've seen that our presence on social media has exploded. Our BizNews program, where I partake, has grown up to more than 250,000 views a week. Calculatedly, over 3 months, more than 4 million South Africans have seen what we have to say. So we might not be this effective size of a party against people like the ANC, the DA, etc. But we have a thunderous voice, which is heard, not just in South Africa, but across the world. To the UIM supporters, we have a huge future. We have to adapt and fight that the principles that we stand for from the beginning, that we never surrender. Politics is not an easy game, for it's not a game. It's your life. We have some huge decisions to make to ensure that in 2026 the change of municipal services happen, and that the African National Congress, the EFF, and the new dark cloud of MK do not put their gripey little hands further into tax and ratepayers' money. It is going to be a fight down the line, and although I fight my own battles, I am ready to continue with our team, with all the members of the UIM, to ensure that we do hold the fort with whomever partners and colleagues that agree with our stance that this country must remain a free, capitalistic, democratic entity, where race is of no significance, but what's more important is the color of your soul. So a very good morning to you. Ja, sommer voor die koffie en die beskuit en daai wat 'n bietjie kondensmelk moer in jou koffie gaan so aan. Vir die maas vandag, wat die kinders se kospakkies pak, baie dankie, ons waardeer julle. Vir die paas wat uitgaan en maas, om vandag julle daaglikse brood te gaan verdien by die werk. Ons waardeer julle. To all the members in uniform, who today is ending their shift last night and fulfilling the biggest obligation of law enforcement, which is make sure that when you end your shift, you go home alive. To the people this morning that are going on duty, May that safe and prayer of peace come from us as a blessing. To the nurses in the hospitals, the doctors now doing their rounds, to the people that collect our refuse, and those that make sure that our cables of electricity and water supply. Thank you very much for your service. To every person in this country, specifically our farmers this morning, that went out there and checked their wire, checked their flock, checked their livestock, and walked over their crop. Thank you for what you do. Without the farmer, we have no food. We need to bring up a plan that will double secure our farmer safety. Want dit gaan nie net oor die plaasboer. Dit gaan oor kossekuriteit. En dit is belangrik. Watch the space, because we are working on a solution. In conclusion, I hope that you have a blessed day. That like me now, you sit in traffic frustrated, but knowing that this is for your country. That no matter what your people that are your protectors try to put you down and say to you, what are you doing? They do nuts. Well, we don't. We fight. We will never allow one race to ever dominate another. These are the words not of Neil de Beer. These are the words of Nelson Mandela. That never